Oh my God. Gonna take a break here to acknowledge our sponsors, Dos Equis and Modelo.
You open them up.
Tell them where you got them from again, man.
Man, this is for my boy Adam from Tune Plus. Need your Mustang tuned? Go to Adam. The NGK.
And you said they got them pre-gap and everything?
Pre-gap for your Mustang.
There you go.
Pre-gap.
Gonna change out these spark plugs. Got everything already set up. The thing that's tricky about this is you got to get the cover off. There's there's 2 small washers that are 10 millimeter. Then there's 2 of these bolts that are 8 millimeter. I don't know why Ford decided to do it that way, but anyway, so I'm getting those off and then we'll pull off the cover. Everything else should be pretty straightforward. All right, so got the cover off, and now the interesting part. So the cover was kind of telling here. So these 2 are going to be 8 millimeters. So you basically want to get these off. I already kind of got them loose. These on the outer edges, so that one right there, if you can see in black, and this one right here, also black. That's going to be a 9 millimeter. I don't know why Ford decided to do that, but gotta go ahead and use 2 different sockets for spark plugs.
Same spark plugs.
Come on, man. Boom, I got the 2 8 millimeter bolts out, so I'm gonna get those 9s out.
What are those?
All right, so never mind, the 8 millimeter works on here too, so don't know what the deal is on that, but hey, take back what I was complaining about from Ford. Good job. 2 8s on the out corners too, so we're good to go. All right, so the good thing is once you get the little screws out and get the little nuts off, you can just pull these out, pull them straight up. Be careful, don't pull too hard, because I left these clipped in. You don't want to break those little clips if you pull it too hard. And then you can use your spark plug socket and the extension. Go in there and get the spark plug out. Now this extension doesn't have a little rubber lip, so if you find yourself in a similar situation, you can just use the little rubber part of the coil on the windshield. You can use the rubber part of the coil and kind of snake it back out, and it'll come right out. All right, so to demonstrate, see, this is what I was kind of talking about. See, I got it snugged up still in the coil because it's so deep, and my socket didn't have a little rubber seal. I had to go ahead and just slide this back over the plug after I had unscrewed it, and then pull it out gently, and it came on out right with it. So that works. So I'm gonna go ahead, I already got one, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these, put the new plugs in, pop these back in, and then we'll be good to go. I had to take a little commercial break.
Oh yeah.
Get the old juices flowing again. Damn, boy, look at, boy, got the tool chest. Which one you need, man? Which one you need, man? Man, look at the new plugs, man. These are gorgeous, brand new. Focus. Damn. Damn. So I got the old one chilling right there. You can see the difference. And these been changed since brand new, so that's 30,000 miles right there, which don't look bad. I mean, to be honest. Got a little, but hey, that ain't this. Yeah, you gotta put, yeah. Damn!
There you go.
I was like, I don't know about that angle. Boy, been getting them gains in. All right, go back the other way, man. Yeah, you want to spin it to the counterclockwise.
Am I tightening it? Oh,
yeah.
There we go.
You're gonna be here about a good 30 minutes.
Man.
So like this job is a lot easier if you have like a drill. Yeah, I don't have the little adapter for my sockets, so womp womp womp.
6.5 hours later.
There it is, everything buttoned up, hood. Shoot, engine covers back on. Intakes in, plugs are in. Shoot, we about to take this for a little ride real quick. We'll get some footage of that too. I'll catch y'all next video, I'm out.